My second practice I will be presenting today is using concrete examples that connect math to real life. This is a good practice to use when teaching students with dyscalculia in order for them to physically imagine the math problem. So, for example, today I have Molly wears one hat and has an extra hat. Sally didn't wear a hat but had a hat in her backpack. Altogether, how many hats were there? So in order to use the concrete examples, you would need a few hats that I have right now. And then to make this even more memorable for them, it would be better for you to have two people. So you could have one person, Molly, wearing one hat, and then hand having in her hand another hat. And then you could have another student come up, and this would be Sally, and she would just be um, holding the hat. So you could physically see how many hats there were. This helps a person with dyslexia because they can physically see real life examples of what the math problem is asking them. Having math examples that also have to do with real life and aren't made up of topics that don't have to do with real life is more difficult for a person with dyscalculia to understand and be able to complete.